Hello.
Good morning, Afternoon.
It's afternoon. I have Gabriel and Ethan with me. We are heading up to the theater to drop Gabriel off, and then Ethan and I are going to go up to the bird store, and I'm going to experience...
Oh, you gotta get vlog clips of it.
That. So you will also experience that. And yeah. So it's going to be an exciting day, and I want to show him the Barnes & Noble that is next to the theater. Because
I haven't even seen your vlog on there.
So, there's all sorts of stuff that Ethan has not experienced that he will be experiencing today.
Up there, injured.
In half a mile, keep left at the fork.
J. Oh, J is sometimes hard.
License plate. Look for license plates.
J.
There wasn't a J though. No, I'm looking at the bottom.
J, a jerk who's talking on his phone.
I don't want to.
Just kidding.
We just got J. There was someone jump starting their car. I'm proud of that because I didn't use license plates.
That was,
my goodness.
Oh, it's like blah, blah, blah. Yeah, that was so cool. Okay, so we're on P now, and Ethan made a rule that it has to be pumpkin spice. So we're looking for pumpkin spice colored vehicles. This is making it challenging. We are headed to the bird store. We dropped Gabriel off, and yeah, to his sold out performance, his final sold out performance. The rest of the performances are kind of
What is it? Performance number 65 or something like that?
60. Oh man, I forgot what it was. 65 or 66 right now, I think. So I'm excited to see this place. I've never...
It's great. I'm excited to see Barnes & Noble.
Oh, yeah?
Well, and this place.
Yeah.
He's bigger than Cornelius.
Hey, hi.
It's a sun pioneer.
How are you?
Aw, he's biting the bars. He just had a bath. Look at him. Did you just take a bath?
So cute. You're so cute. Yeah, you're so cute.
Little it is. It's a baby African gray.
Baby African gray. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. This is pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there you are. Look at you. Wow.
And behind me here, that place was amazing.
As you could see, I loved that cockatoo. I wanted to take him home. Too bad he's like $3,500.
Yeah. We will not have a large bird in our house, but I fully expect you to have birds whenever you are grown up. So, you gonna do show and tell?
Sure. The first thing we got, well, actually, not. This is technically the last thing we got, but I'll just say the first thing here. We got him a new ladder that is not colored. I mean, these are colored, but still not colored because it runs. But yes, we have. Oh, this one's stuck. Dang it. There we go. We have this ladder which has all these slidey things, so he can mess with them. He's probably going to love that. And then the next thing is, this is the first thing we found. This enormous twine ball with paper inside.
He's
going to love that.
He'll love destroying that.
Yes. Another thing we got was just a bunch of stars stacked on top of each other with a bell, because he loves bells.
He loves to attack them.
Loves the stars. I'll do this one. We got this, which has a ball and like a sphere and stars. It's just really cool. He'll probably tear apart. Everything that's twine, Cornelius loves.
He loves to rip everything up. And when they rip stuff up, it means they're happy.
Which he does a lot of that. This is probably the best deal of all of it, honestly.
Yeah, that's really cool.
We have this. He has this mat. It's the exact thing, but it had like stars and stuff on it that we hung on the side. But it's actually a platform perch slash swing thing, so he can rip it up and everything. This was definitely the best deal. It was like $11. That's insane.
That
And
was
then,
such a big deal.
as we were checking out, I looked over, and at the checkout, they had just little twine stars. I'm like, I'm getting this because he loves stars, and you can't buy them anywhere.
He loves having like the little twine stars, and he likes picking them up and just throwing them.
Yeah, throwing them and then grabbing them with his foot and biting them and breaking them and then throwing them. I don't think he has any stars left. I think we ran out like last week.
Oh.
So.
Oh, he's gonna be happy. Yay.
What's going on? What are you filming me for? What is this wizardry?
We're back at the theater. There's a wedding reception that just happened. It's like in process. Oh, I think the bride is walking towards us. Noodles. We are at intermission. Ethan is trying to take a picture of something, but I guess his phone doesn't like focusing, or I don't know. But Ethan, do you still like the show?
Yes.
Okay, final clip. All right, we're home. It was a good show. There was a swing that I had never seen that she got to perform, and she was amazing.
Flawless, as you said.
Amazing, yes, flawless. Like, I can believe it because everybody is so talented, but I was just going, what a treat. Got to see her perform. So tomorrow is church, and the last, yeah, it is technically today. It's very late. And the last performances of this run of this show. So should be an interesting day. So until tomorrow.
Until tomorrow.